Let's study something about exponents. If a non-zero rational number is multiplied by itself and this multiplication is carried out n times, where n is a natural number, this product can be written as a raised to n. We read it at a raised to n. n is a natural number. This format is known as exponential form, and a is known as the base, n is known as exponent. For example, if 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times, the outcome is 2 raised to 3. Or we multiply 5 by itself 4 times, the outcome is 5 raised to 4. So to study the exponent in detail, we have to know certain laws of exponents. The first basic law of exponent is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. In this case, we observe that both the bases are same, that is a. So according to the law, their exponent will be added, a raised to m plus n. The second law is if a raised to m is divided by a raised to n, again the bases are same, then their exponents are subtracted, that is m minus n. Here we have written that m is greater than n, so that the final result m minus n is positive. We get the positive exponent in this case. And the third law is a raised to m and the whole is raised a power n. Then both the exponents are multiplied, that is a raised to m into n. Similarly, the fourth law is if a and b are two different bases and they have a common exponent n, then this exponent is given to both the bases, like a raised to n and b raised to n. Both are multiplied again. And the same case is true with division also. If a is divided by b and they are having a common exponent n, the exponent is given to both the terms and the result is a raised to n divided by b raised to n. All these 5 laws are very important. Let's see certain examples that will help us to understand the use of exponent. For example, if we have to calculate the value of 5 raised to 4, according to the definition, 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. The result will be 25 into 25, and that is 625. This is the way to calculate any exponent. Let's see another example. If 2 raised to 3 is to be solved, that means we have to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. The result is 8. We need to solve some difficult questions also, which are based on the laws. For example, if in a problem it is given that simplify 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. Have you observed that all the terms are having the same base 3 and their exponents are different? And according to the first law, we have to add the exponents that is 3 raised to 5 plus 3 plus 2. Final result is 3 raised to 10. This can also be done with the division, as 2 raised to 5 is multiplied by 2 raised to 3 and the whole is divided by 2 raised to 4. The outcome will be, first we will solve the numerator. We observe that the base are same, that is 2 raised to 8. Now base 2 is same in the numerator and denominator, and the final result will be by subtracting their exponent, and that is 2 raised to 8 minus 4, and the result is 16. If it is given that minus 2 raised to 3 raised to 5, it shows that exponent 3 is raised upon 5 again. That means we have to apply third law, by which both the exponents are multiplied. Power to the power is always multiplied, and the result will be written as minus 2 raised to 15. In the starting we have stated that a can be any rational number. It can be like a fraction 3 by 2 also. If 3 by 2 raised to 3 is multiplied by 3 by 2 raised to 2, here the base is a fraction which is 3 by 2. It's a rational number, so its exponents are added and the result is 3 by 2 raised to 5. Let's see another examples. 2 multiplied by 3 and whole is having a common exponent. So this exponent will be given to both the terms, that is 2 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 5. If a question is asked to find out the value of a variable, then we have to use the law of exponents. It may be like find out the value of a variable n, where the equation in which left hand side is 9 multiplied by 3 raised to n plus 2 is equals to 243. It is a equation given to you and you have to find out the value of n. Firstly, we observe that in this equation left hand side n, right hand side, both are having certain terms which can be converted in the powers of 3. The left hand side expression is having 9, which can be written as 3 raised to 2, and another expression with it is 3 raised to n plus 2. Now this 243 is just 3 multiplied by itself 5 times. So in the next step we get that left hand side is having two bases which are same, and it is 3. Their exponent will be added 2 plus n plus 2, and the right hand side is 3 multiplied by itself 5 times, that is 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to n plus 4. Two constants 2 and 2 are added and the variable n is written as it. Now by comparing the left hand side and right hand side, both the terms are having same base 3. So their exponents can be equated and we get the result as n plus 4 equals to 5. So the value of n is, after transposing 4 to the next side, n is 5 minus 4, that is n equals to 1. We get the answer n equals to